2012 Young Bird team. These are all the cocks. I opened up the breeding section. They see the large boxes. And they're fighting for them. They're all on the top, as you can see. If you want, a good pigeon stays to the top. Nice and healthy. A lot of movement. Nice clean loft, well ventilated. These are all the cocks. The hens are out right now. That cock should be my board bird for tonight. I have a 200-mile race. This is an old cock that I put in here. That's 457. 2007. Three-time Long Island Combine winner. This cock won me a race by 17 minutes, one bird derby, Patterson. That bird was 22nd, one on the left, 22nd in the World Trade Center Memorial. Took the board, won to the 100 in 2011, Young Birds. This is a 2012, this is this year's. This is a son of 457. He looks like he's ready to come this week. So let's see what happens. As you can see, my loft nice and clean, well ventilated, air, health. Health is the key. Without health, you're not going nowhere. That's a son to NYPD Blue. She's the mother is an Oak Haven Farm hen. She bred me a lot of competitive birds, including a couple first place winners. And that's all for now, guys. Highland Loft, 2012.